Hey traders, it's Leaf West. This is the YouTube video or it's a portion of a hour-long video I did this morning from some live trading that I did, and I pulled out the last review segment that I did of a trade we executed on the spiders. We got involved. Well, I was wait and see the rest of the video, but I just want to do the intro into that segment because you may not understand really the context of it. So again, it was a review of a trade we did out of the morning, first sort of hour of trading, pre-market and after the regular hours started in stocks like the spiders and Apple and what have you. And that video is split into three parts, and it is available to all the members on the blog site. And other than that, the scalp we got long here. I got long here in the projected target zone of this move lower, this ABC correction lower, and I took it off right at the top, right in front of the opening range. And you can see that we went to this control bar value, the spiders did, and we pushed higher after the sort of the Greek news came out at 3 o'clock Eastern time, I guess it was, for the last hour. But price did pull back to this control bar value, and I didn't get stopped out. I have a 137.40 stop on my short of the spider, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Other than that, enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. Hey traders, it's Leaf West. Just to finish up this scalp we did this morning, the scalp trade. So we actually nailed it pretty well today. So we did textbook fucking trading. Pardon my French. ABC into a projected zone, let it show us that it could move off that projected zone, and then bought the pullback, which made a higher low, and that was as good a spot risk reward basis to get involved today as there was at all. And our target was right in front of the opening range. The opening range is 136.75, and I just closed the trade off a few minutes ago at 67 cents. I targeted 70, but I don't like to. I can seeing that it was a little bit of a divergence coming into play here, so I didn't want to get fancy there. But I suspect we're gonna again see how it's the high of this candle is. What is the high of the candle? The high of this candle is 76 cents, so that's right at basically right at the top of the opening range. So we'll see what happens there. But I just wanted to sort of follow up that spiders trade, the scalp trade that we did, and show you guys how that worked out. So it worked out pretty textbook. So like 42 cents was what I made on the trade. So it was only 500 shares, so 200 bucks after commissions. But that's the kind of trade that makes a lot of sense if you're looking for scalping. And we didn't have to get involved right when the market opened, right? Again, you could have if the market kept going, that was the trade to get involved in. But more times than not, you're going to get some kind of congestion that leads to a better setup, whether it's the setup at the bottom of the opening range or on a completed pattern into a projected target or on a higher low. So if you look at it, we didn't make a higher low until this spot right here. So you don't even have to really project out. Sometimes you just have to look and go by sort of basic technical analysis of what to do. Anyways, just wanted to follow it up for those that are interested in that spiders trade. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.